how to reactivate Facebook account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and you will be led to the login page. Here, go ahead and enter your mobile number or the email address of the account that you have previously deactivated, and further, enter the password of your account. Finally, tap on the login button you see there, and with this, your Facebook account that you had previously deactivated will be reactivated effortlessly. So this was about how you can reactivate Facebook accounts. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.